Alright, here we go. Next dust storm. Christopher and I leave for Chicago tomorrow and we can't wait. It's about 112 degrees out right now. And this is what's on our horizon. We just grab as many of our cushions in as we can. You can see it's popping up over the clouds. Here's the mountains in the backyard. Clear and wall o' dust. It's coming fast. I can start to smell it already. The clear skies behind us. So, there's the wind's picking up now. My banana plant's about to get trashed. So are Christopher's toys. But, alright, time to go take cover.